Wanna some? Hola amigos, I'm Ulysses Cruz and right now it's time to make some roasted eggplant bowl with truffle aioli. Yeah, right now I'll tell you quickly what I'm gonna use. For my aioli, actually for my bowl, it's with rice, but you can use also quinoa or other kind of grains, lentils, beans, I don't know what kind of grains you're gonna use it. So I'm gonna cook some jasmine rice right here. There is 1 cup by 1 cup and quarter of vegetable stock. You can use water also. I say roasted eggplant. I'm gonna cut it down, roast it with a little salt, black pepper, and spray a little olive oil. I have fresh cherry tomatoes and also fresh greens, parsley, but you can use cilantro. I mean, all is up to you. Oh, for my aioli, 1 cup of cashew, raw cashews. Also, you can suck them. And 2/3 of filtered water, 2 tables of this beautiful truffle aioli. 1 teaspoon, yeah, 1 teaspoon. Is 1 or half? What? It's insane. Something between half to 1 teaspoon of vinegar, any kind of vinegar. And 1/4, yes, something between 1/4 to half teaspoon of truffle salt. Charcoal activate. It's like a 1/4 teaspoon of charcoal activate, and this is 1 small head of that most amazing garlic. Yeah, black garlic. So it's time to make this plant-based masterpiece and welcome. Let's do it! Amigos, before roasted or eggplant, it's time to cook our rice. Da-da-dee, da-da-da. So then amigos, right now it's time to roast it or eggplant. Yeah, I'm gonna remove this and the other side also. I'm gonna cut it on this way. Da da da. Just I'm gonna try to slice it a little bit, not all the end, just I'm gonna try to give it a good, I mean, it's gonna cook it so quick. Also, I can just dice and toast it in a little olive oil and roast it, but it's okay. So is this optional, amigos? Just remember that you can cut it, dice it, or also even do another kind of cut. Toast it with a little olive oil, salt, pepper, and roast it. So amigos, olive oil, some olive oil, salt, and also black pepper. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Just be careful if you're doing this method. Yeah, I'm gonna do it again. Black pepper and salt. So it's time to roast it. 300 to 400, 20 to 30 minutes. Let's roast it. So amigos, for my aioli, I'm gonna blend everything. So if you're using one blender, you can put everything in there and blender. It's gonna be easy. Where's it going? Everything. Okay. Da da dee, da da da. Ah, my word. So then, amigos, just make sure blend very well your cashews. Oops, your cashews. Yeah, because we're looking for one liquid texture. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna see how this is. Wow. Okay, the texture looks good and the flavor is amazing because I already tried it. And also I'm gonna try it again. Look at this. I love aioli. I love the truffle. I really feel a little pieces of cashew. Voila! So I'm gonna place in my bottle. It's clean. It's clean. Nice. Right now I have my aioli. Also, I have more truffle for other dishes. Da da da. Black truffle aioli. So right now I'm gonna slice some tomatoes. I mean my cherry tomatoes. And also I didn't tell you anything, but I have right here some za'atar. Yeah, you can add it any other spicy. I mean thyme, suma, sesame seeds, or you know. Look at this, jasmine rice. Da-da-dee, da-da-dee. Nice, that's a good amount. So let's see how it goes. Wow. Look at this, amigos. Look at that. Does look so pretty. Can you see it? Still hot. So just I'm gonna pick it out something fresh. I mean, I don't like here a little dairy or all lettuce, you know, just a little. So this is just one idea, amigos. You can use other kind of greens if you have also other kind of greens. You can add a drawer. Also, you can roast them. Da-da-dee. Da-da-da. Da-da-dee. Da-da-da. Amigos, just be creative. Don't be like me. Just be creative. Just organize or put anywhere your greens, your tomatoes, anything that you're working. I mean, anything that you're adding to your bowl. Right now, I add a little, not much, just eggplant, tomatoes, rice, little lettuce. What about this? Parsley. Amigos, actually I'm gonna try it. Wanna some? Amigos, just be creative. Just be creative. Just add anything that you have in your fridge. So amigos, this is how I made my roasted eggplant with some rice and also with my aioli truffle. My truffle aioli. So amigos, it's very easy roasted one. Look at this. There is a lot of water. Any kind of veggie, there is water. Look at this. That is so fresh. I prefer cook anything at home than, I mean, if you are on the possibilities of cook something or try to cook more at your home, please. I'm done. See you next time. Please try to make this bowl. If you don't have eggplant, use carrots, use peppers, zucchini, use squash, use any other greens. All the time there are many different kind of ways to make one bowl. I mean, right now I roasted it. You see there is no oil, just I toasted, or I mean I spread a little, almost nothing of oil, but This I can smell it. It's incredible. The rice is good. When you're cooking any kind of rice, please try to cook with some vegetable stock. It's more delicious. I use a little of this truffle aioli, but I can save this bottle and reuse for other kind of meals, for other bowls or other salad. So this is how I make one bowl. Actually, I'll leave you the recipe below. I hope you get it. See you next time.